Nothing but Corvettes. Going to see Corvettes. We had to park 10 miles away to go see the new C8 Corvette. Just took over Bone Daddy's parking lot. Shit about walking shoes, babe. You comfortable? You just trying to look good. You trying to look good. Hope they'll give you one of these Corvettes. They might. If you smile hard enough, they might be like, look, give her one, and then say that he can't ride in it. Megan don't like the cold. She's a California girl. This 60-degree weather is like 20 degrees to her. Damn bad. Okay, they got a line out here. See this car. I'm finna go see what the line is like, but yep. I can go see a house or something and give me a video. I need to ask them, I'm looking at it. And then that means that when you go in there, you probably got a limited time to see the damn thing. Oh, nah, I'm not finna do that. Look at some video pictures of the line. Oh yeah, that's ridiculous. Huh? I'm gonna get some pictures of the line.
That's a long line. You got here early. We might be the first time in line.
You had to get here at 9 o'clock. Food smell good though.
Everything is free.
Huh? Oh yeah, that's. It wouldn't have mattered. You'd still been about right here when I got back. I'm just gonna go get some pictures of the Corvette. I don't think I'm standing in this line unless it's moving real fast, which I don't think it is. No.
It's the earlier years. They did it.
I'm just gonna get some pictures of the Corvettes. I'm not gonna. The other Corvettes. I'm not gonna stay in line to see this. Why? Yeah. I'm not gonna see it today. It's gonna be at her fine. I just want to get some pictures of these. Look at all those Corvettes. The pictures of all those Corvettes. They got some more on the backside. I'm gonna look at all the. There's a line of Corvettes I seen on the way in. I had to check it out when it said. I probably won't get to see it because I'm not standing next to that line. That's crazy. This is the only day.
Don't they have another one tomorrow?
The next one's on the 29th at Huffine. I think they're right here. No, these are people that came to the event. Huh? There's a whole row of them. This is my old Corvette. I can't believe this shit trying to get 71 for it though. And mine was option way better than this. It's an automatic.
Maybe it's better to take that long. It's moving quickly.
Oh, is it?
People, they are still leaving. You see all this parking space?
Yeah.
We didn't have these people, they come at 8 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're smart. They know it's going to be a big crowd.
Can I give you one of my cards if you have any questions?
Sure. I do not like this though. I'm probably the only person in America don't like the front. There's just too much going on.
What is your name?
ZR1. It's like 700, some 750 horsepower. Is that new or used? It's new.
Since they are coming with 2020, these are on sale. GM give us some money. So normally is 150.
It's 132. That's not bad for a ZR1. Yeah, this is why I'm not waiting in this line to see this car. Plus, I mean, it's been on YouTube everywhere. This is nice though. All of these cars I've looked at, I don't like the stripes. All of these vets are automatics. There's not one manual Corvette up here. Not even a C7 manual. 94,005. They got more than this one. They got a whole setup in there. Automatics. And we got a whole row of vets. Man, that's nice right there. It was a piece of shit. Sorry. I had to let it go. Look, we got a row of vets. It's old school whip. That's an older T06. Nah, line too long. We'll have to wait.
Yeah. It's great. I mean, I ordered mine the first day of the road. Yeah, it'll be my 30th.
30th Corvette?
Yeah.
Wow.
The first one was 63. And my question is I know what I just paid for my new one. How are the C7s?
The price?
Killed in the C7s.
Yeah, if you want one of these right now,
Yeah, they've got C7s up there from 105 to 83. And I just rolled mine out the door, the one I just ordered, for 66.5.
oh, the Stingray.
The baseline is 50. You can't afford much at all. I mean, you really. You can get one just like the one sitting in there. They've got a blue one in there. Equipped just like it for 65,000 out the door.
Wow. The new one?
Yeah, I'm driving 908 right there. Okay, I paid, well, 61 was sticker on it in 08. The sticker on this car is less than the 08.
Wow.
So, with a mid-engine,
It's a no-brainer.
can't afford not to buy it. I'm just questioning the people that have these. A lot of it's going to fall out of them. I mean, that C06 right there, it's not even a year old yet. That was a $120,000 car. You can buy the best, the top of the line. Yeah. If you want, there's a new clearance sitting over there. See here? You can buy the new Corvette or that McLaren. You can buy the McLaren, or you can buy 6 new Corvettes.
New Corvette.
So,
I go with the Corvette.
I mean, you need one, man. Don't wait.
Yeah, I had a Grand Sport. I had to get rid of it, but I'll wait. You think they're gonna go up?
I'm 73, and they're gonna go up. That's the only problem. That's why you can't afford 95.
Right.
A lot of the dealers are willing to put money down to order. The dealership in Sanger, where I got mine, I own a restaurant in Sanger called Fuzzy's Tacos.
You own Fuzzy's Tacos? That's my spot.
I own 3 of them. I don't know.
Oh, I love Fuzzy's Tacos.
But anyway, so I went over to them and talked to them, and I said, what kind of deposit I put down? He goes, well, you want the car, don't you? And I said, well, yeah, what? He said, why should I hold your money to March?
Wow. That's cool.
Get it, I'll sell it for more than you paid for it.
Win-win for him.
So, you know, it doesn't make any sense. But most people want $5,000 to put you on the list.
Over here?
Some of the dealerships. See, they had 300 here. They've already sold their 300.
Oh, okay.
And now they've got a waiting list. They're charging $1,000 to put you on the waiting list. Put you in a place.
Yeah.
The dealership in Sanger had 12 cars. They've still got 2 available. If you want one, go up and talk to Brett Howard in Sanger, Texas.
Wow, cool.
You know, and then you can go on up to Windstar, you might well enough to pay for it.
Thanks a lot. That's interesting.
Price it down. I wonder why they price it down, because they want it's a
They
new
probably wanted to sell it. They want to move it. All right, let's go over here. That's a nice Jeep.